I'm Rasmus and you're here in Slikhaar studio with me, Reneé and Daniel. Today we're doing a hairstyle inspired by the DJ Lost Frequencies. Are you guys up for it?
Yes.
Yeah. Alright, let's go.
Doing anything this weekend?
Yeah, I'm celebrating my granddad, his birthday. Yes.
Congrats.
And one of my mates tomorrow.
Nice.
25.
So what is the cinnamon tradition?
It's when you turn 25 and you're not married yet, you get cinnamon all over you.
What? Crazy. What do you think? Is it about the length?
I think it's, yeah, quite the length I would like.
And on the top also?
Yeah, I think that's the perfect length.
To find the curls a little bit more.
Yeah, I would like it curled a bit, yeah.
Yes.
That would be nice.
I will make your hair wet again and then I will restyle it, and I think we will use this today to define the curls. And then I want to use the gold layer. Yeah. So that's gonna be the set for today. I just moisturize your hair, so when I put the product in, it will like absorb better. So we can define the curls. And you get the look you like.
Nice.
Use a blow dryer when you're
I've never used a blow dryer, no.
Okay, I will use it today just because when you use this head on the blow dryer with the diffuser. It actually looks very good just right now with that only one product, but I think I want to just finish it so it's have a hold for this whole weekend almost. Yeah.
Perfect.
See today?
Yeah.
Are we using the gold digger? And less is more. Just put it on here. Then you will not ruin the curls when you get the whole.
yet.
I don't even know your name yet, but I know I'm gonna fall for you. Make it cinematic, love like fire on the big screen. I only advise for you. We make it cinematic.
This was the last frequency hairstyle, and Daniel, how do you like it?
I think it turned out just absolutely well.
You did a great job, Reneé.
Thank you.
And guys, remember to write in the comment section down below what you think about the episode. Also like the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. See you guys next time.